Hi guys, welcome back to SA Kicks and Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing Deodorizer fragrant balls for your sneakers or your shoes. Now these Deodorizer fragrant balls helps to absorb moisture in your shoes, remove any odors, and it keeps your sneaker or your shoes fresh, smelling good, and clean at all times. So it comes 6 in a pack, and I'm just going to take out 2. So this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, guys. It has a vent on it. These can last you well over a month, guys. And this one is open. You can see the deodorizer ball on the inside. Going to close that up. And these will keep your shoes smelling great, absorbing all the moisture and ready for your next usage, guys. So I have a pair of shoes here and I'm going to show you how to use these balls. So all we're going to need to do is put one of these balls inside of the shoe, let it go right inside, and you put this in the other leg of the shoe, and in your box you place the shoe facing each other so that it absorbs all of the moisture in between, and whatever was missed by the other shoe will now be absorbed within. This is a great trick to keep your sneakers smelling fresh, deodorized, moisture free, and it definitely is a must if you have sneaker or shoes and you'd like to keep them fresh.